ये ऐसा इवेंट है जो लोग कहते हैं कि ये आर्ट इवेंट है तो सिर्फ ये बड़ों के लिए है या छोटों के लिए है. Once you go through the walkthrough and all of that, you realize that this experience is for everybody. This is not just for big people or people who understand art, but this is for everybody. But more than me, I think the right person to speak about the experience is Nikhil. And I think all of you all know Nikhil, right? I mean, for me, he's been an icon. He's been the guy right from the MTV times. He's done roadies. He's done so much. But that was a start. What a lot of people don't know is over the years, he's brought so many world-class experiences to India, whether it be Sunburn, whether it be Supersonic. So he's been in the business of getting world-class experiences to India. He's been doing that for many, many years. And like I said, who better than for him to choose us, rather because we went to him and he had to say yes. So who better than him to choose us and come here. So Nikhil, the stage is yours. Why did you think about Van Gogh? Why did you think about this experience? And why did you come to Chandigarh?
Nishank, thank you so much for the very kind words that you said about me and all the work that I've done. It is wonderful to be in Chandigarh. It's a city that has art and culture so beautifully interwoven into its city fabric. College में मैंने architecture पढ़ा था और architecture में हमने सीखा था कि Le Corbusier designed the city of Chandigarh, and for me, it is still one of the most beautifully planned and beautifully laid out cities in India. अगर आप वैन गो की बात करोगे तो जैसा कि आप जानते हो कि मुझ में एक चिड़ है, छोटी सी चिड़ है. I grew up in the 80s. I was born in 1973. I grew up in the 80s और बहुत सालों के लिए लोग कहते थे कि इंडिया एक थर्ड वर्ल्ड कंट्री है. यहाँ पे जो कुछ भी होता है वो ढंग से नहीं होता है, वो स्टैंडर्ड से नहीं होता है. और एक छोटी सी चिड़ थी. तो जब मैंने सबसे पहला म्यूजिक फेस्टिवल शुरू किया सनबर्न, तो वहाँ पे हमें एक ऑफर आया था कि एक ग्लोबल म्यूजिक फेस्टिवल को हम लाइसेंस करके इंडिया में लाएं. तो मैंने मना कर दिया वहाँ पे. तो मैंने कहा कि लाइसेंस करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि हम जो यहाँ पे इंडिया में कर सकते हैं, we can compete with the best in the world because we have the technology, we have the people, and we have the will to do world-class events. And we built Sunburn. And after I broke away from Sunburn, we built Supersonic. And with Van Gogh, मैंने ये exhibition के बारे में सुना था. My wife is an art fan. My mother-in-law is an art collector. और उन्होंने बहुत साल पहले मुझे एम्स्टर्डम लेके गए थे, my wife, and I went to the Van Gogh museum for the first time, and I was blown away by the art. और क्योंकि मुझ में, आप में, हम में से कुछ लोगों में वो क्षमता है कि हम बाहर जा सकते हैं, ट्रैवल कर सकते हैं, दुनिया देख सकते हैं. उस समय मुझे ये भी रियलाइजेशन हुआ कि इंडिया में सब लोग के पास ये मौका नहीं होता है कि वो कहीं भी चले जाए, कभी भी चले जाए और कुछ भी देख सकते हैं. तो मुझ में वो डिजायर थी. पहले म्यूजिक से शुरू हुआ था कि द आर्टिस्ट एंड द म्यूजिशियन दैट आई सॉ अब्रॉड, आई वांटेड टू ब्रिंग देम टू इंडिया सो दैट माय फ्रेंड्स कुड एंजॉय द म्यूजिक विद मी. And it's a similar kind of sentiment with Van Gogh as well. I wanted to bring world-class events to India because I believe that Indians deserve world-class experiences in their own homes and in their backyards. तो हमने जब ये Van Gogh experience, the real Van Gogh experience जब हमने यहाँ पे शुरू किया, we launched first in चेन्नई. चेन्नई के बाद हम हैदराबाद गए और चेन्नई में वो जो एक बहुत ज़्यादा से जो फीडबैक हमें मिला from a lot of people, most people just said thank you for bringing us to चेन्नई, क्योंकि ज़्यादातर ये वाले शो ना सिर्फ दिल्ली और मुंबई आते हैं. चेन्नई जैसे शहरों में आते नहीं है, हैदराबाद जैसे शहरों में आते नहीं है, और चंडीगढ़ जैसे शहरों में नहीं आते. And which is why I am really grateful that we found a partner like you, like Nexus Atlantic Hall, which is such a beautiful venue, and we work together to bring this experience to Chandigarh. और यहाँ पे हम मैं जितना भी बोलूँगा वो कम पड़ जाएगा. जब आप एग्जीबिशन देखोगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि why are we so excited about this, why are we so passionate about it. और जब निशांत कहता है कि ये एग्जीबिशन सबके लिए है, मुझ में जो मेरा जो फेवरेट मेमोरी है ना वैन गो के शो के बारे में, वो है टू वॉच अ ग्रैंडमदर एंड अ ग्रैंडडॉटर सिटिंग एंड वॉचिंग द शो टुगेदर. दिस शो रियली इज फॉर ऑल एजेस. इसमें कोई ना कोई भाषा है, ना कोई ओवरराइडिंग छापा है कि ये इंटरनेशनल है, इंडियन है. दिस ट्रूली इज अ शो फॉर एवरीवन. वीव सीन कपल्स कम हियर ऑन डेट्स, we've seen families come here, we've seen entire schools come here, kids as old as 4 years old. My daughter saw it when she was 4, she's seen it about 10 times already now. So we've seen this exhibition appeal to literally everyone. और जब मैं कहता हूँ कि ये दुनिया का सबसे इंस्टाग्रामेबल एग्जीबिशन है, वो भी एक सच बात है. और किसी ने मुझे इंटरनेट पे कहा कि is Van Gogh's art only about content? And I said no, Van Gogh's art is not only about content. But what is wrong with content if it brings art to you in a way that you would never have experienced it otherwise. क्योंकि मैं confidently कह सकता हूँ कि जिन लोगों ने इस शो को देखा है, almost 90% of them would never have gone to a museum to see art. But after having watched this show, everybody is curious about कि ये वैन गॉग था और उसने किया गया था उसके और because we've got about 250 paintings of his over here. He's painted over 2,700 paintings. इस एग्जीबिशन में सिर्फ 250 पेंटिंग्स हमने इस्तेमाल किए हैं इन द इमर्सिव एग्जीबिशन. एंड इट मेक्स यू मोर क्यूरियस अबाउट कि आर्ट की दुनिया में और क्या मिल सकता है और क्या हो सकता है. एंड नॉट जस्ट इन पेंटिंग्स, इन स्कल्पचर, इन लिटरेचर, इन म्यूजिक, in all performing arts. I think this exhibition opens pathways and opens doorways for people to discover all forms of art, which is why I'm very proud of it.
So before we go to them, I have one question. You call it a show and you call it art and you call it 360-degree immersive experience. How do you bring all the three together? So how do you mix a show and an art form or an artwork and 360? So what is it that people can expect when they go? Because it's all three different genres coming
मैं
together.
एक बार मैं आपको सच बताता हूँ. जब भी मैं कुछ लिखता हूँ या कुछ बनाता हूँ, I'm an Indian at heart, and for us, storytelling is at the core of what we do. Whether it was stories that our grandfather told us or grandmother told us, or when we were children, टीवी नहीं हुआ करता था, ज़्यादा किताबें भी नहीं होते थे, तो हम सर्कल में बैठ के एक दूसरे को डरावनी कहानी बताते थे कि ऐसे हुआ. And we still love storytelling. I've always loved storytelling. Even when I do music festivals, everything in the festival is like a story. It unfolds chapter by chapter. You don't see everything, you don't experience everything at one go. हमने जो यहाँ पे किया है Van Gogh के exhibition में, we've also told Van Gogh's story and brought his art to you as a narrative. There are different rooms that you go through, and मैं आपसे सिर्फ एक रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि जब आप पहले रूम में जाते हैं, जो उनका क्विक स्टडी रूम है, एंड इट रियली इज अ क्विक स्टडी रूम, क्योंकि एक आर्टिस्ट के लाइफ के बारे में आप एक घंटे में क्या जान सकते हो, थोड़ा ही जान सकते हो. मगर वो जो पहला रूम है, वहाँ पे हमने 10 पैनल्स बनाए हैं टू एक्सप्लेन अ लिटिल बिट अबाउट वैन गोgh's लाइफ एंड हिज आर्ट. मैं सिर्फ ये रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आप हर पैनल को शांति से, ध्यान से पढ़िए. यू गेट एन अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ व्हाट वी आर डूइंग एंड देन गो इनटू द अदर रूम्स.
So there are different rooms.
There are different
How many
rooms.
rooms are there?
There are totally 4 rooms. There's the quick study room, there's the infinity room, there's the main immersive room, and after that there's the merchandise room.
And you'll be taking all of them through all the four.
Yes, we'll be doing it together.
Okay guys, questions?
If you have any questions now, आप पूछ सकते हैं. अगर ज़्यादातर मुझे लगता है कि आपको questions शो देखने के बाद होंगे. We can also do questions.
पहले देख लेते हैं उसके बाद क्वेश्चन.
तो फिर हाँ जी.
डिजिटल एक्सपीरियंस और
It's a digital
पेंटिंग.
No, they're not real Van Gogh paintings. उसके लिए budget थोड़ा नहीं था. Millions of dollars. They're not real paintings. It's the digital artworks of Van Gogh, and they've been animated as well.
But these are licensed, so these are with permission and all.
Yeah.
And the question answer session will not be coming here. We'll hold it there only, and you'll see once you are over there, it's just the impact of the entire show and the entire experience. I think it will be better if we do all the question and answer. Then we're happy to answer them.
I can also tell you there are approximately 10 to 12 different Van Gogh experiences around the world. All of them are different, represented differently. Mani Ratnam sir की wife चेन्नई के exhibition में आए थे. वो 4 बार आए थे to see the show. And she's seen the exhibition in New York as well, and she said it was better than the exhibition in New York, what we have created over here in India. And the French Consul General, the French Consulate is in Chennai as well, वो भी आए थे और उन्होंने कहा कि बोलना मत क्योंकि मैं फ्रेंच हूँ मगर ये पेरिस वाले से भी अच्छा है. So we as Indians feel really proud to get that kind of validation from people who've seen these shows. We've had other people who've seen the shows in Sydney, in Singapore, and they've all said that this is fantastic and it's better than the exhibition that we've seen abroad. Which gives us a sense of satisfaction of a job well done. We're not competing. ये कोई competition नहीं है कि हम पहले नंबर पे हैं, हम दूसरे नंबर पे हैं. But we just want to make sure that what we're presenting to our Indian audiences is world class and on occasion better than world class.
What's the number of painting on display?
We've used over 250 of his artworks in the digital film that you're going to see.
250.
But the physical painting, the physical Van Gogh painting is on display. Those are in museums and collections around the world. We've used digital representation. आप देखोगे तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि हमने क्या किया.
So this is